today finally going to Goa. I am एक hectic schedule से finally दिशा और मुझे break मिल गया है and हमने इस पर decide किया है कि we will go by road from Pune to Goa and we are on our way and passing through the beautiful Sahyadri Hills right after the monsoon, which is a sweet spot to visit this place. Now on the way you will witness the green beauty, the lush green mountains, clouds covered with clouds and the waterfalls all along the way. The one like this, it's all along the way. So you should definitely try it. If you want to go to Goa and are in the Mumbai or Pune region, road trip is must at least once.
हम आ गए हैं अपनी पहली डेस्टिनेशन पे, गोवा की पांचवी पता नहीं कौन सी भी ट्रिप पे। दिस इज इन मप्सा डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ नॉर्थ गोवा। हम पंजम से 40 किलोमीटर ड्राइव करके इस जगह पे पहुंचे हैं। दिस प्लेस इज अ परफेक्ट place to come with your family. It's just a 40 kilometer drive and a 5-minute walk from the place you park, and the waterfall is amazing. The best season to visit this is just after the monsoon season. We are here at the end of September and it's just picture perfect.
This place offers multi-level viewing of the falls. The closer view of this waterfall is from a point above, and if you are lucky you will get to see the rainbow too from there. Right now we are in the lake. To reach here you have to take the stairs from the temple above.
Called Buddha Hill. You will easily find in Google, and the name Buddha Hill is definitely because of the statue you can see in my background. It's the white statue of Lord Buddha. As you can see, it's on the top of a hill, so Buddha Hill. Now, how you reach from Madgaon Junction, you can just drive about 10 kilometers. That's a 20-25 minute drive on a normal day and reach this place. At the bottom, you'll have to pay an entry permit. That's 150 rupees per person, and then you can have an entry to this zone. There are 4 or 5 visiting points in here, but the most famous one is this. It's on the top of the hill, and the background, it's all lush green, mountains, fields, plants, trees, everything. It's green, beautiful, and the blue sky, and the sun is just setting in front of me. What you can do is you can park your vehicle at the start point and then have a trek. It's just about a 1.5 kilometer trek, or you can also choose to bring your vehicle up the hill, but the terrain is pretty rocky and challenging, so depending on how good your driving skills are and how much do you love your vehicle, you may choose to come up. Definitely a beautiful place. It's green, it's beautiful, the breeze is amazing, a good place to watch sunset and stay in peace. Okay, so we have entered the premises of this Cabo de Rama fort, and once you enter in, you will find this church right at the entry. Even before that, you will find a drunken man who will ask you for the exorbitant amount of money just to enter this place. There is no official sum that you have to pay in to enter the premises, so don't pay him. This is the church, St. Anthony's Church. It's closed at the moment. So let's go in and see the 3 different places this place, the Cabo de Rama Fortress, is famous for. Okay, so this is Pebble Beach, and as the name suggests, it's not sand, it's all pebbles. बहुत strong current जा रहा है यार, because कल full moon था, so probably उसकी वजह से. It's a 5-minute walk from the place we showed you that board. नीचे आओगे, you can enjoy, maybe click a few photos. Definitely you should visit this place if you are visiting Cabo de Rama, because it just takes 5 minutes to reach it. And let's see आगे क्या है. Okay, so this is point number 2. That is Cabo de Rama viewpoint. Best views of this place are from here. You can see behind me, right? It's amazing. And what is more amazing is that you can spot dolphins from this point. And you don't have to be lucky enough. You just stand here and wait patiently for 5 to 10 minutes. You will definitely spot it. We just spotted close to about 10-15 dolphins in the area. 3. The Holy Cross. And again, like the previous view spot, you can spot the spectacular views, but on the other side of the mountain. So it's amazing. Definitely worth 5-minute extra walk.
आज हम आए हैं Palolem Beach and this is one of the southernmost point in Goa. If you want to explore even southern part, you need to go to Polem Beach, which is 13 kilometers down here. But this is the point which is, I think, the last commercialized hub in South Goa. Now, one of the things that you need to experience when in here is that you need to stay on one of these huts that is on the entire line of this beach. So they have these different places with small wooden huts. This concept is in here where you can just stay in there and watch the beautiful sea and sunset just lying on your bed. So you should come in here. We are staying in one of these, and you can choose. There are n number of options, and the pricing entirely depends on the kind of hut, the luxury it has, and your bargaining skills. Now, one other thing that you need to do is the sports. You can go for a boat ride and visit the different viewpoints in and around the area, or you can also take a kayak for an hour and just explore the area around it, depending on how courageous you are. Disha was not enough, so we didn't go that far. This place is a hidden gem in Goa, and it's located somewhere in the middle of Agonda Beach and Palolem Beach in South Goa. So you can easily Google it, just type in Butterfly Beach, and it will take you to a particular spot that is called the parking area of this place. Now, once you park your car, you pay in 100 rupees, and then the real challenge starts. So what you have to do is you have to trek close to about 45 minutes to 1 hour to reach the famous, or rather not so famous at the moment, Butterfly Beach. This terrain is not easy. I mean, it's full of puddles with a lot of mud in it, small streams of water that you have to go through, rocky terrain some places, small rocks where you can slip. So my advice is, if you're coming in here, do come wear good shoes and carry a couple of water bottles per person, because you will definitely need it. And अभी हम जा रहे हैं, probably 10 मिनट दूर हैं, so come with us and we'll show you how beautiful the place is. ये बटरफ्लाई बीच का नाम बटरफ्लाई बीच इसलिए है बिकॉज इफ यू स्टैंड इन द मिडल ऑफ इट, दीस पहाड़ विल गिव यू विंग्स. तो रेड बुल नहीं पीते हो आप तो यहाँ आ जाओ, बिकॉज यू विल गेट द विंग्स.
What happens in Goa? So that's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching it till the end. If you liked our video, please give a thumbs up. Tell us in the comments if any of these places made it to your itinerary. We hope you have a great trip ahead. Happy journey!